Hierarchy is our next principle in graphic design, which is the level of importance between design elements in your composition. Without hierarchy, your viewers won't really know what to look at first or what's most important. So to create hierarchy in your design, you can use what you know about typography, about contrast, about balance to guide the reader to what's most important in your design. So here is an example of a film festival poster template in Kittl, and we know that we have excellent hierarchy in this design because first and foremost, we know that this is a film festival. Now, where are we going to go from here? Well, we also have the dates. So between different elements in terms of size, we know that one is more important than the other. So film festival, it's big and easy to read. It's also contrasted very well from the background. And we have the other supporting text that we know is a little bit less important, but still more important. Then we have the text that's the least important, which are the names, most likely, of whoever's going to be there or the actors or whoever up here at the top. So we know first and foremost, if we wanted to level this in terms of what's most important, you would probably say this is first, this is second, this is third, this is fourth, maybe this right here is fifth, and then whatever's going on in the background is the least important. Here is another example of a movie poster template in Kittl, and the reason we have excellent hierarchy here is very similar to the last example where we know where to look first. So obviously we have our person here combined with our text pretty much makes up the most important thing. Now, I don't need to read that that's a person there, so I know that still the flying high text there is the most important. Then we have kind of our subtitle and all of our secondary actors' names up here, and then all of this stuff down here at the bottom is the least important. Now, we also have excellent contrast with the dark blue mixed with the white, as well as this really nice texture over everything that just helps tie the whole theme together. Now, let's jump into Kittl real quick, and if we made a couple of adjustments, we could see that the hierarchy kind of starts to fall apart. So if we were to grab this text right here, which is the title, and we make it about that size, and then we take this text up here at the top, and we make it really big, maybe all the way across the top and left, already you get this sense of, I'm not entirely sure what's most important. I see DC Music Pro Pictures Presents, but that's not the title. So where's the title? Oh, it's down here, Flying High, right? So just with a couple of tweaks, we've completely destroyed the hierarchy within this design. So continue to think about what is most important in your designs and make sure you're also using good contrast and other principles. Now, if you want to see other tutorials using Kittl, I have these videos here on my right that I know you're going to enjoy. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any upcoming videos and features and things like that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.